How to fix Instagram story views not showing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open settings, scroll down until you find apps, click apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, and then click force stop, go to storage, clear cache. And now just go back and try again, and if that also doesn't fix your problem, now restart your phone. And if you have an iPhone, just delete your Instagram and install it again. And if that also doesn't fix it, now go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Maybe you'll find here update, then just click on it. And that's it for today's video. I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.